Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I have 10 things you need to know about money, and some of these are repeats, but I'm saying them again because we really need to get back to the basics. So number one is save 20% down when you buy a home. It makes your mortgage less, and you don't have to pay PMI insurance, and your monthly payment is less as well. So these are really great tips, guys, because a lot of people just buy things willy-nilly without actually preparing for it. We bought our house with 20% down. We don't pay PMI, and our payment was only like, I want to say, and we also got a 20-year mortgage. So we opted to pay $60 more than having a $400 payment. We only pay like $523 for a 20-year mortgage. So think about it. I mean, you waste 20, 30 extra bucks, a week on kind of going to the gas station, buying sodas, that kind of thing. So you really have to, plan about your life. You want to pay less mortgage in a shorter period of time, right? So, all right. So number two is save 10% of your income. You can either put it in a 401k, you could do a Roth, you could do a high interest savings account, and you can also do like mutual funds, stocks, whatever. But the best way to go would be a Roth or a 401k from work. They actually do a match. So, I mean, it's free money. It's good money, right? Number three is always have an emergency fund. So you want to have an immediate emergency fund of $1,000 or more. If you're going to go for 3 or 6 months, you want to have 20 or 30%. So 3 to 6 months of expenses is, a percentage of your yearly income. You can figure that out really easy and save that for long term, just in case, because you never really know what's going to happen, right? All right, and then number four is know budgeting basics, guys. Know how to budget your paychecks. If you get paid every week, know what you need to pay from week to week to week. Spread it out, and if you have to change due dates, call up your your utility companies and them and say, hey, my week number 1 is too heavy. Can we change the date to the second week or the month? And you can always make it fall between certain lines. All right, guys, so know your budgeting basics. Track your needs versus wants. Track your spending. Track your bills. Make sure that you always pay your bills first, right? I cannot stress that enough. Pay your bills before you go play. Number 5, compound interest. So there are advantages to compound interest. When you're young, time is on your side. So if you are 20, or even if you're 17 and you just got a job out of high school, or you're still in high school, make sure you go open up a Roth IRA and start contributing a little bit of money from your paycheck. I'm telling you, you can retire with millions. By the time it's retire time, you can retire with millions. And it only costs like $20 a month, and you can put whatever you want in it from your paycheck. I think you can open a Roth with a minimum of $50. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's a minimum of $50. Some places it's a minimum, there's zero balance to open it, and then you just make automatic payments out of your check. Easy peasy, right? So you could become a millionaire 2 times, 3 times over by the time you're at retirement age. All right, so number 6, secrets of credit. So credit scores, they determine your personal financial health, your ability to pay back what you borrow. And if you are going on the debt-free kind of journey, like I am, credit score is really irrelevant because you're going to pay for everything in cash, which is good. But if you want to establish credit and use it to buy a home or buy a car, and guys, buy a used car. So that's secrets of credit. You can use credit to your advantage to get things you want and then pay them off very quickly. Number 7, so rules of insurance. So term policy for life insurance versus like short-term policy or a life policy. So know the difference. Term policy is where it's within a specific time period, and then life is your whole life, so however many years that is. So speak with an insurance representative. And guys, health insurance or life insurance is relatively cheap. It really is. Number 8 is taxes. So how they work, know how they work, know your exemptions, what you're taking out. This is very important because you don't want to overpay and let the government use your money all year round and then you get a refund. Some people like that because then it helps them to save money at the end of the year. And then some people just use it and they go out and have a big spending spree. So either way, just know how taxes work and be on the lookout to get more in your pocket now. Number 9 is guard your health. What you eat, how you take care of yourself, exercise, and exercise regularly is very important for a healthy lifestyle. It's very important. And you don't have to make a lot of money to be healthy. All right, so number 10 is college debt isn't 100% necessary. There are grants, there's work study, you could go to a community college, a trades college, and you don't have to get government student loans, guys. I have $94,000 in student loan debt. I wish I didn't have, but those are 10 things you need to know about money. Very serious stuff, guys. And always remember to educate yourself. Always read up on something that you're not really familiar with and get to know things about money. Thanks for watching.